my office. This is your first time here.
Carson, you can't call him on the phone.
I'm so happy you came by. What do you say we look at your file? I hope you'll be a good little boy this year.
Oh.
Let's see about that.
Have you been a good boy, Carsey?
Oh, here we are.
There's Cars.
Right.
Oh.
You are 2 years old. Is that right?
That's funny.
It seems you've had a wonderful year.
That is funny.
You had a very special birthday party, didn't you?
Oh, Papa cake.
Now, Santa also knows that this year you have been asked
Hi.
really hard to always brush your teeth before your bedtime.
Yeah.
Carson, I see here that you've been a very good little boy. Santa is very, very proud of you. Now, Santa
I'm
knows
very
that
Did you
there's
see this
a
part of
special
me?
gift you're hoping for.
What did you, Carson? What is that?
Certain Tom.
Tessa.
Is it Thomas?
Do you think you'll be nice enough?
And Thomas says a tree.
We'll have to wait for Christmas.
Baby, get me to get
Carson, don't.
Carson, I hope you will have a wonderful Christmas.
I know it's
Remember
so
to
a
be good,
different.
Santa is counting on
Look at Grandpa's nose.
Merry Christmas.
That's Santa's nose.
Everybody says he has a cherry nose.
I'm an ABC.
Carsey, what did you think of that? Is that Santa Claus?
No,
Was it Santa?
I called Choo-Choo.
Hey, Mommy, now it's your turn to tell him.
No, Mommy doesn't have one.
You